Hello friends, many sitebook users were asking for text editing feature as well as for changing colors in subsection or section rows. So I'm happy to announce that we have rolled it out in the last update. Now you can see I have highlighted the keywords in the item name, suppose shoe rack, sofa set. So now your client would be able to identify the items more easily. Also I have changed here the color for this row, living room. So let's see how easily it can be done for this dining table item. Okay, so you just have to highlight or select the required words and click on this color icon, click in the box. You can also increase the size, underline the text or apply bold to it and save. So now when you go to view code, you can see the dining table is highlighted. Similarly, to change the color of this row, you just have to go to settings for this row, add color, select the color and it's changed. So friends, please try this new feature. I'm sure you are going to love this. Thank you.